Blessings, guys, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today, we're in a place called Top Hill for a third video in our search for the Top Hill Great House. That's the home of the Honorable John Taylor, one of the richest slave masters in St Thomas. Alright, so the other day we found a tower, we found a works yard, then we found remnants of another tower, and we got information so far as to the location of this great house. However, it's on the flat, and we don't normally see great house on the flat. So we're gonna check this location and see if this is the great house that we find today. If this is the great house, then we'd see the need for these towers that's in this area to overlook the plantation. Alright, so watch the intro, guys, and yeah, follow me on this journey.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
Yeah, peeps, so my uncle there again, you know. Yeah, man. Uncle same kind of know the location of the place. So, yeah,
man. We're up on the treading again, you know. We are trod with the ancestors, them trod already.
True.
Cause if you trod with the ancestors, them trod, it's like giving them power, remembering them. They was before us, you know. So, we could go up on the trod now. See if we can relive the moment there. Blessed love.
Alright. Yeah, people, so we got so much information. Persons got dreams about spirits in that location and all of that. You know, sometimes we don't like to venture out into the supernatural realm in some cases, but yeah, our search for the Top Hill plantation was long, so make us see what I go on today.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will
Me not see that piece in the first video where only they do down the way and then have and
The piece that we find around a copper, just a works yard like we find up the road. We never do no more search
Yeah.
because them a say
But
big
when
about
I
through the
tell-
mac of them.
yeah, but when I tell you that it was an hospital.
Yeah, because when we are searching,
That was the assuming
when we are search, we
year
get
before.
information as to what the building is, but when we search, we can see definitely say it wasn't that. You see me?
What
Then
was it?
It's a works yard,
The
just like the
works
other
yard.
one, yeah.
Okay.
You see me? A place for slave, that's a works yard, just like what we found in Gabranal, guys. Alright, so we're up on the way now. You know, so 15 minutes after 7. Yeah, peeps, early in the morning. When I know how long the search I got take me, and you all should have gotten this video from yesterday. So, now do this early, guys, so I can edit and have this up for y'all later. Alright, if you are watching on the premiere, type premiere in the comment section down below. And if you're catching this video otherwise, type that in the comment section down below. Alright, thank you all for those who have been spending time watching these videos. Thank you all for making Elite Jamaica your #1 channel of choice. Yeah, man. And for those who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you know I miss something. Click the red subscribe button. It's free of cost. And if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. Alright, now follow me. Guys, you know, this building that we're actually going in search of now. I see it on the map, you know. Yeah, I see it on the map, the only building that really look like one house, you know. But then it down in the flat, and you know, when I look for great house down in the flat, whereas when there are so many hills and valleys around. You understand? So I left it for last, but with it being left now, and I think I may say maybe that's why I don't have so much towers. Because you still have to have fortresses to overlook your property. And that man did have money. You understand? So, yeah, we go see if that's the one. So, now follow me. I run water, peeps.
Artifacts out of slavery. I don't know if one of that
St Thomas. Coming like St Thomas did have the most slavery, the most the most plantations. And when you really check it out, we have the best land for cultivation certain ways. So
we don't cultivate.
No, back in the days, the slave masters they normally choose St Thomas over the rest of the place because the water and the good soil.
And the soil.
So when them actually start buy slave and send the slave overseas now, you realize St. Thomas had a lot of slaves and then more buildings start build up. You know. But what I want to get across to you, guys, in the next few seconds, I'll give you a history of slavery, alright? But as I was saying about these structures that we're finding, a lot of these structures were not made by British or Spanish slave masters, because in one article I read, it said that when the Maroons were up in the hills and the Spanish tried to fight with them, the Maroons fought them from their fortresses. You understand? And we all know what a fortress is, right? So, yeah man, now give you a little history about slavery. Y'all stay with me. Don't go away now. Alright? Easy, me?
Don't do me that, man. We are all black one, man. We all come from the we are African. That's the same thing. Alright. When the bamboo then cut them up the 2 days. I road side the map back to check them on. Then we only go look so you need all the time to watch them. So don't forget them. So go for them, please. Can't go for them. I need to even know there.
And we want to clear up one thing, because there are persons who keep saying they are Maroons and they are from a Maroon, where they call it a Maroon family or whatever. But a Maroon is not a tribe nor any special type of people. It's persons that had run away. Those are slaves who had run away. So you can't look at a person and try to find the identifying marks of a Maroon. Alright, and that's how it go. You see me? So we just wanted to get that across. Alright, peeps? Yeah man, you know, follow me. Another thing I wanna get across. Another thing I wanna get across to persons about slavery. Alright. Persons always say they want to go back to Africa. Be careful where you want to go and which country in Africa you want to go, because in some places, actually the tribe's master or the head of the tribe was the person that actually sold other persons into slavery for ammunition, for gun and them thing, they understand? Sometimes it was prisoners, outcasts, persons who were in prison, they sent on ships. It was a part of their punishment to be slaves.
The crops grown in the new colonies, sugarcane, tobacco, and cotton, were labor intensive, and there were not enough settlers or indentured servants to cultivate all the new land. American natives were enslaved, but many died from new diseases, while others effectively resisted. But when white captains came offering manufactured goods, weapons, and rum for slaves, they viewed the people they sold not as fellow Africans, but criminals, debtors, or prisoners of war. African kingdoms prospered from the slave trade, but meeting the Europeans' massive demand created intense competition.
So, it's not everywhere people get kidnapped, like in Sierra Leone where they use the Jesus ship to get persons on board. Some of these places, it was tribal, alright? Yeah man, a little bit more piece of information that for you guys. If you're still here, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so peeps, we are in the actual location, the vicinity of where the Great House and the tower should be. Alright, we'll see if we can get little information and stuff like that. Alright, so I'll be with me. Alright, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so enter. It's supposed to be behind the house here as we see on the map. Phone now work really proper, peeps, so I can't screenshot. Otherwise, I'm going to show you a screenshot of that on the screen, guys. Alright. Yeah, guys, so that's the map of the location where the house is, and where the tower is, the windmill over there. So if I bring this in, it shows us the location that we would have been today. Okay guys, so that's right in the corner of the road, and that's where I went across the road to the tower, as you guys notice. So it's right in the corner. Alright, yeah peeps. You say you bring rum for yourself or for the dope for them? Oh, straight down. Yeah, straight down to your left.
Yeah? Oh, you never tried something, man?
What that? Mash it?
No, man. Big metallic.
On the next side. Peace out down there. Peeps, so my uncle said I'm fine piece of the building, and I kind of see piece side too. I'm showing you that, guys. Just hopes are the great house. No, yeah man, type great house in the comment section if you wish it's the great house also. Yeah guys, so this is a piece of the building, guys. It's a piece of the construction. Piece more around there, so.
So close to the concrete, I never see. Last time.
Piece more here. So a step. Alright, so that's a step right there, I should think. Yo, me 2 seconds. Guys, me I go cross here, so it's on the map. See the great house supposed to be on that side here. Side. Alright, so we'll search up the steel peeps. So go back up yourself. Land there. Our next big piece, yeah. Our next big piece down here, sir. Oh. Think of the piece more. Yeah, guys. I like this. We want to go on the road and go back that side there, isn't it? Come on, go lay down here, so. Easy. This is one square building, as you realize, isn't it? But watch out, no? Yeah. Is our next wall is good there, so too, you know?
The wall is a piece of, I want to know wall is.
That look like a wall. No.
Oh, a piece of tree.
Piece of tree.
So this wouldn't be.
It wouldn't be too small. Square.
But this is a part of the thing.
Yes. Yes. This would be like an outer cottage or something. You understand? Them always have them little thing there, the big house, them, you know. But I have to find the big house.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
So I search, and I search, and I search for the remnants of the great house. Still no success. Alright, so I look on a mound over this and see what I do. Alright. It's not long there, sir? Yeah, man, please. This one is quite difficult. Hold on. What did it so? Piece of concrete, yes. Kenneth. Come on. This. Stone in there. That's one of the column them, you know. But that's one I work for. No question about that. So guys, it seems like, I'm not sure, but it looks like we find one of the column them. So we'll just search to see if we can find anything else adding up. Fine wall of ground too. Yeah, house there, man. I see one concrete up there, so that's why somebody stop and look one at a time, but that's a block, isn't it? Them are no block, they're stone. And what you find out most of the time about them outside there, people still can renovate, you understand? Anywhere them outside there, most of the time people renovate, so we just have to look to see if we find no evidence, yo. You see me? Because if the evidence not there, we can't say it. What is it? It's a toilet, man. Toilet. Some are doing something. Although the great house will find up a surge, they may have a line of toilet in the man on the house there. You saw them pit, be careful of that. House of new model house. Look like a wall over there, so no, front of it. I know the bush, no? The bush. Yeah, guys, we have to see some house there right here, so I look on it and see if there's a house like for find a pitter's feel with the wall them ticking up for the error. No, this build pan block, it look like block them here. That's the back of the structure, guys. Hold on there. Oh, it's a tree. Think on a wall. Guys, I'm not seeing any evidence of this house around here. Just one piece of construction we're not even sure about. What's our time here, peeps? Look around that side here. So guys, we are no luck in finding the top of the great house. So we're on our way to our next site, which my uncle said think that's the great house there, which it could be, but the thing is, if the great house is there, then for the first time the map wrong. Some bad dog there and I'm not even see. For the first time the map would be wrong, peeps. That would be interesting. So make us see what I go on. Gonna follow me.
Water!
Such beautiful view, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, remember you can click the red subscribe button and subscribe to Elite Jamaica. Turn on notifications also, so you know whenever time I upload new videos. Yeah man, follow me.
You know the cover there?
Yeah.
So you couldn't make it far from the water source. That me I tell you from morning. Say, something up here, so when I look at one, come see something up here. So we don't know much charging.
Same building. Yeah, man. That's how I walk come out. The film comes straight up here, so.
This, that hole there? With the pipe?
Yeah, man. They never see all them blocks go down in there with them big pipe down in there. Then the rest go down in there. Yeah, man. Peeps, if y'all never watched that video, watch that video. Historical find in Top Hill, St Thomas.
You never see one thing? Upon this video, I see it.
Yeah, man, I'll come out. Yeah, guys.
Did you go up, sir?
No, we never go so. We never go up so. We come from that way, the flame come on and go through the fence.
So that definitely was a tank.
Yeah, that was a well. A tank. A well. It have something to do with water.
What was this in here?
This one here, sir?
Yeah.
Was on works yard. Just another works yard, yeah. Works yard and water work. Down there, so you have the big open part like we'll find out, so. Place where you have holding area. You have the holding area further down there, so. A big open part. Easy, man. Yeah, peeps, in that video we did not come up this side, so hopefully we can show you some more other building there up that side here if there are any remains up this side. Little piece on wall.
Look like I want to.
Come in here. Make sure I get bad. Not no down there, someone.
That's what we're finding. That's what I find how you come.
I know how more your shots coming at them bush and the worst in the nose and neck around here, you know. God. That's a piece of our wall there, guys. Coming around. Square piece of wall. Then we have here behind me. It's the same place, so hopefully more deal. I just realized this is the same place, so hopefully I still have to go. Elusive as this house might be, we're still searching. Alright, we are on our way to another location just to see if this is where the house could have been. Even though the map has shown us on one location, we don't find it there, so you know, so we're still searching in another location. Alright, so now follow me. We'll go up on hill and show you that sun I get bad. How about this one? And deep hole of this one. Look over. Here peeps. I'll show you something. So a hole on this one. I don't know what kind of hole. Wow. Guys. You see that? Wonder for the hole is another hole is matter about.
Yeah.
Where the man that about this morning?
No.
Okay. You see that peeps? A deep hole. Not sure what that is all about. But if you all have an idea, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Look with Kasha. Come in.
stone saying I'm in.
Sorry. Is there something to do there? Run us a feel like on graveyard. I think we have found a wall right here. Yeah. I called my uncle now. Kenneth! Can I find piece of wall? Piece of wall, yeah. Hey, they stuck? Oh. Show me here selling any machete, I'm not here again. They have some little green snake will look like the wisdom, you know. So you're still afraid of snake?
See nothing come from the earth, you know.
Tell them to eat the snake.
Instead of the fucking apple. So when serpent see that one like you want him. Pata put on for you nasty ass. So when you think you're going to eat the apple. Then you're eat. Cha.
Smell around also. Peeps, I saw the bush thick, it take a while for go through. Yeah, man, the man come through the bush like Indiana Jones. So you can't find no pass there, so. Kashamaka them, these guys in the bush, you know. You have to look out for them. You want a shades or a glass wearing in the bush, because them stick here, you know. You see why this wouldn't be on the map down? The map draw 1804, you know. Mixture stone. So if I build up, I say it wouldn't be on the map, was so old still this old. The corner wall, you know. I wonder if up here was a graveyard.
Brick it up here.
A piece of brick that down?
Yeah, make sure say.
Assorted stone. Oh, hold it right this one. So this would be a rather old structure. So did that word there, so. Peeps, who know about Kashamaka? Type Kashamaka in the comment section down below. I tell you, the maka your body. Hmm?
Come soon. I want it.
Make them bad too, you know. Brick.
Good. I must not supposed to open to that over.
Any building up here well old, you know. That be before them upright. That be well old. That proves say how when them a tell about slavery, gone way back. Isn't it? It's stone. It's like one wall that run come up. Mm-hmm.
Next year, ball in the excavation. They're not doing that.
That'll work out. You know me coming out of the bush in a shots. Yo. Yep, we can't find no exit.
Jam.
Yeah guys, so we have been searching and searching and searching. The battery actually I run out. I'm doing some bush now cloud on the front that I don't give up. Yeah, but we haven't found that great house structure, guys. And from what we're hearing is that over the open land that we went, the little bit of structure that we found, that would have been a part of the great house, but we're hearing that it was bulldozed away for farming. As you notice over this, it was flat. I understand. There was a mound there, people used to stone them out of the mound to do all sorts of different things over the years. So it seems we're now going to find a one that one has been lost for time, peeps. However, I'm still there in a small backyard, because I see something up there so like one wall, I'm not sure. So that me really a check on, guys. I'm not showing it, alright?
I created that again. Tell me everything about it. In the first place, we know everywhere. In other surroundings.
Alright, may I look for a great house and a tower. The tower is supposed to be on the right. The tower is supposed to be on that side. That side. It's supposed to be up further up, yes, sir.
The great house is supposed to be need and pen.
No, not the house I need and pen. It's not a great house that I need and pen.
Oh, two tower away there.
Find it for them.
See the great house, they're right here. Start right here. So this is a foundation about 500 years old.
That's a part of the great house.
Yes.
Alright.
The foundation to the stone wall.
Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yes.
I'm just a normal person. Passions, I am a normal person. Follow me on my journey as I show you what.
Then bulldoze it and dump it up. So guys, just when we're about to leave, we actually get help to find this elusive construction. And Trevor, may I show you why at the great house here? As we have the map and everything there. You see,
the following.
I see it.
So it's like either a tile, slate company, a slate factory. But I know this is the first time they slate people.
Yeah, this is where them go to block the stone and to deal with the
No,
house.
a slate. Then a slate usually make here or something, but you know,
See guys.
the backer master then used to use this as them book.
Oh.
So it's a slate that you know.
Eh?
I used to remove piece of slate there.
Pit? And pit up there, sir?
No man, I feel one out.
Oh.
Yeah, see the foundation.
Piece more here, guys.
See the foundation, huh? Elevator house in there.
Elevator house.
Elevator house. Come and see. You can look like
Yes, sir, the house there, Kenneth.
see that. Elevator house.
Yes, sir, the house there.
Yeah,
guys.
Somewhere out,
This is another piece of the construction here.
That's where one ever.
Yeah, we never see front part of that.
Yeah. And I say some slate.
This would be like a step. Or a piece broke off. Concrete column. So this is a piece I will find this morning.
This morning, yeah, yesterday, this morning. It's a piece. Yeah, piece on it. It's the most of the slate them there, so we always admire the slate them, you know.
Okay.
But then from olden days when people used to write, they just write on it.
You never used to get slate last school.
Yo, that time when you were big, them first time days, man, see them years, they never know about paper and pen.
No, but me I tell you, me the new slate at school.
Yeah. This is something, this is like booking us.
For those of the older folks who remember those times when we used slate at school, type slate in the comment section down below.
I know really at school, you know, them play there to them big man where
So we'll go to the left now, because this would be one side, you know. the middle piece of the house come like the bill out a board, you know.
Yeah, this is one.
You see me? Because sometimes other way that them build once, them build the column them big. And in the middle, the living part, living room and them part of the step, them everything inside below out a board.
Yeah, all of them is the foundation, all of them is
Foundation walls. Foundation wall here, guys. Going across. Foundation walls going across, guys.
anywhere around the field.
You see the place around us?
No, man.
Yeah, man, the whole idea.
There's like a factory in there.
Hell of a building.
So we just a slave company for most of the thing, but when we take it out now.
From the map will show we see the house there still, you know.
And just so them big man, they have them.
But you see coming up still.
Yeah.
When them man they gone back a far, you know, we don't know what them used to use the place as.
Yeah.
You understand? Because remember, so enough of them slave masters run back, when they go back to England, you know. Honorable Taylor never go back to England still. And then we call him Honorable Taylor because he become a part of the politics out there, is it? One of the richest man in Jamaica, you understand? So, been searching for him also from the other day, because find the whole of the works here, them, and the whole of the tour them. You know? Yeah. And this, the building here, with them all here, would have really add up with all the building I'll find out. So, the one I'll find up, so the same era. Them all just the very same. You understand?
Yeah.
All the broken bricks. Foundation wall here. Again. So guys, we can cross off the Tackle Gate House has been found, even though there's not a lot to show. It's in the vicinity where the map says it was, but we wouldn't find it. Although we find peace site, cannot find peace site this morning, no. But then the piece of find me, I said that too small to be the great house. But now we realize why. The foundation. Yeah.
The whole of here, man. The whole of here.
See all the
We always just see the tile factory in there, you know. The slate factory. Yeah. So the amount of slate.
So that's why them builds much tower, so them now if he can't overlook nowhere, because him having people them want overlook the whole place, and that's why them build a tunnel them. Yeah. You know?
You see the tunnel entry?
No, I'm not see the tunnel right down there, sir.
Up on the hill.
The deep, the hole. Yeah, man, I see the hole.
No, that you see the entry of the tunnel there. So.
Oh, that could be an entry, because them could have used a ladder.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they could have used a ladder to come up.
Clock it up, you know.
Okay.
You can take out 2 chocolate brick out there and you still can't reach now.
Wow.
You don't know who get so much time to put some of the amount of...
Them do it because they spend time for ID history so that we can't really know what is going on in there. You see me? Yeah, man.
The person they will put that brick in there is a special reason why they put so much brick down now one hole. And it builds so neat.
Alright.
You see it?
True. Yeah, I see it. You see me?
If they take out 100 brick out there, still can't reach the bottom of it. You don't know why. Like them seal it off for some reason.
They say they seal off?
But if you go take out, if you clean a peer brick down in there, you just take out brick.
We can't see the wall over there, sir. The wall over there, sir.
Well, me identify the wall over another plant one there.
Okay. We can go over there?
Yeah, man. Right.
Come here.
That's why, let's see when rain fall now. The water can come.
Yeah, man, peeps. Shout out to Trevor, you know, man. Man, Trevor go fix the Elite mobile. Trevor, body man.
Run out of time.
Run out of timing. You don't know exactly what. Just go, just phone on. Now take more than 2 minutes.
You.
Alright.
You know where I see the tree there too?
Up on the top, up on the hill.
Yeah.
We go up there this morning. Wasn't really a lot to see up there still.
Yeah, man, since you're nearly 3 acres, 5, 10 acres finish it.
Where's it? No. Him out there, man. Alright, big up.
They run up and down every other day, that day for last time I make this time, I don't want nothing go wrong with the engine or the transmission. I make a month of one month. Yeah, man, they think, man, they're not late now, nothing. Yeah. Really, I used to it's a farm, almost my farm, everything, you know.
Okay.
My farm, this thing.
Oh, this plant now banana?
Planting work.
Okay.
Yeah. You always be able them claim to say here, so. It feed off of just the gravity feed the spring down the bottom.
Mm-hmm. But think of that them used to do in the past, them used down at the bottom gravity feed up here, so.
Yeah.
You send the water back over that side there.
No, the water come from over that side, come from over the well. You have a well over a street, you know, where serve life to community.
Okay, and that they did it from the slavery days?
Yeah, the slave built everything.
Okay.
Yes, there was a main source of slavery land, you know, the cemetery, the Black Master house, the spring for the water go to the other tower down to the beach, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, you see that.
So now I understand why I'm da live right in the middle of the water.
Yeah.
You understand?
Them gravity feed the water from Chapel to Philip. Philip, the whole years name Philip Avenue.
Okay.
But their name is a Chapel, but the slave, one of the slave grandchildren, I saw slave master grandchildren name it as Chapel.
Philip. Okay.
And Needham Pen. So they have them co-pen, so they're at the top of the hill. So they call it Needham Pen. So when them go feed the animal and they say, I go for a pen. What the whole? Yes, so the whole is all the time. Yes, so never so gravity feed. Take all the water from everywhere. And it's water feed. The water ever there. Just like Rakasile, you know the whole of the Rakasile, we feed the pump house. Top of the Rakasile, that's we can't believe, you know. Of water them on top of the hill. This is the top of hill, you know. Top is the on top of the hill. Like how Rakasile the up so need a friend. Blue Mountain. Call it the top is like Blue Mountain.
Where I said the wall was right here?
Top of the hill, yeah. It's at top of the hill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you feed to the copper.
Okay.
To the spring. Yeah. I used to feed to the spring.
That's a cup of water come from?
That's so the elder them tell me. Right here, so. So here, so now it's like with easier for we just have tree and spring instead of a building. But if a building come right here, so really, you know, it's easy to move.
Yes, sir. I have to do all of that.
Yeah, you're right here. Right in that. You can see the print of it. You can see the identical thing. A long time we don't get heavy rain, you know. I know we get one heavy rain right now. It's days and months water there, so. We get a heavy rain now. It's days and months water there. The time, yeah, but that's why resident plan here first for the water. Out the hall, here, all the jokes and things. That's how they're green.
I think we would still like a well still.
Yeah.
You know.
A well, yeah, a well. Suppose you can get somewhere, but and a year so the well, they are retreat at the pump house. The only well me know.
Okay.
From the slavery days. So the hospital in there above the pump house, you know.
Okay.
Up in the bumper all and call up there, so. The hospital in there over the pump house over Johnstone Road.
Okay.
On top of below the cemetery. Over the bumper.
Come in, car. I run out of.
The organizer for this land here, I then call him Philip
Okay.
The Philip them. They name the road for you. You know, say, here so are the only place you can find in the health encyclopedia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in the history book.
Okay.
Yeah, the name of Philip, it means. The name of the place, Philip Avenue, but they name the other road. But they take this road as a faster road in some history days. Like as a property road, a road, a Tappy Road. Until now, Tappy Road not depend the map, you know, as a correspond to
Tappy up on the map, man.
as correspond to. No?
No. Tappy Road. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Tappy Road.
Go straight up to Needham Pen Courier Road.
There on it. Well, and then always I say Philip Avenue on the road. So they name it after the slave master. Grand Kidney, them are great. Whatever. I don't know what destroy most of the people them are away from the earthquake.
Mm-hmm.
A disease named cholera.
Okay.
Yeah, I never know.
You sure I never want cholera cemetery there up top?
Yeah, I'm supposed to. Yeah, I have two cemeteries there around here, you know.
Because that cemetery they really isolated up there, so, you know.
That cemetery there is the cholera cemetery and the one over top of the pump house over Johnstone.
No. The hospital in there?
Yeah. Another cemetery over there. But you say that ever say yes, probably you say the region over Metadoniland go right up to Digital Pole.
Yeah.
Supposed to a cemetery.
Okay.
All of them land there. That side of land. Over Miss Baby side up, go right down to pin up them a cemetery. So long people in Libya. The disease and the earthquake destroy them, man. Like I mean bad. I mean notice most of the man them were there around the place, them more intellect and bad.
Wait a second.
They're knowledgeable.
You don't really find it as being?
No, that's where I know mine.
No.
No.
That's not satisfactory. It's not satisfactory.
No, I'm not satisfactory. So,
I'm more satisfied over here, so. Because stone can't hide.
eh?
Stone can't hide, you see me?
Yeah, over here, so definitely.
You see me? So we're sure about the great house over this side. I was sure that there was a great building here then, so to speak. But over there, we're not really,
Sure.
we don't really see the evidence,
The evidence, no.
you know?
No.
We don't really see the evidence for sure. So, yeah, man.
I'll take a 5 and think of it.
Alright. Yeah, peeps. We don't really think that was a tower. So what I'm actually doing, I'm going in search of the tower to see if I can actually find it over here. Alright, so yeah, peeps, bear with me. Yeah, guys, so we're down in the bush down here, so I wouldn't have to come so far to find the tower. I saw a little piece of wall up here, so peeps. I'll go back up and see check. Hold on. I'm now go down there, so. Go back up and see check out something, peeps. I'm sure of that. Alright guys, so that's a piece of wall right there. I'm not sure where that's going. And here's another wall right here. I'm actually on the top of a wall right here. This is another wall right here. Kenneth! Kenneth! Foul. So as we noticed that the great house would have been on this side right here going up as we found this morning. Right in the corner, as I was showing up on the map, I find a way to show you guys the screenshots. You know, and then we would have the tower over that side, and that is how come we've got this wall running back over here. Over here. You know. Yeah, guys. So yeah, if you have gotten this far in the video, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so now that we have found the great house, we don't really find a lot of it, but the map adds up. Now showing the screenshot of the map. The tower would have been over here as I show you guys, the concrete structure, because at one point it had gone straight across the road. Alright, so in the next video, which is gonna be part 4, guys, we will be going in search of Mr. John Taylor's grave to close off the whole segment up here. So this house was a very large house that we found. Alright, and if you think it was a large house, let me know in the comment section down below. I know that video got kind of long. Alright, so yeah, if you haven't seen part 1 before, click over there, say see part 1. If you're not see part 2, click over here, say see part 2. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click in the middle right here. So blessings, guys.